Hey there, technical people! As we all know, lithium batteries have a habit to rapidly deteriorate after a round of 2 years of usage. Before I got the idea to make this video, I removed a swollen bad battery from this 4-year-old Dell Latitude E7470 laptop. This is a standard 55 watt replacement battery. It connects to the motherboard with a single wire and it's held by 3 small screws. After a while of using this, I think this battery actually outperforms the original one from Dell. I made a mistake and threw out the bad battery together with the attached cable. I had to order a new cable online. It's not so cheap, but I got it rather quickly. I can once again use my laptop for hours on the go. If your battery is old, fat and tired, just get a new one and give it a nice long charge after unboxing. I put product links and coupon code into video description. It will save you time and money. Thanks for watching!